But on ground, I'm sure you can hear these fighters in the backdrop. There are combat air patrols that are being flown. There are multiple sorties being flown, transport aircraft bringing in a lot of resources at the line of actual control. So this situation is expected to remain grim for some more time. New rules and more robust rules of engagement have been now given to the armed forces. We've lost 20 of our braves. We've followed all the peace and tranquility agreements between India and China to the T, almost all violated by China with impunity. Now, from what sources tell India today, the new rules of engagement would be tit for tat at the line of actual control.
The barbaric killing of 20 Indian soldiers by the Chinese has forced the Indian army to change the rules of engagement at the line of actual control. The message from the army top brass to the troops in Ladakh is clear. Any future act of violence will be met with equal and more force.
It will be tit for tat according to new rules of engagement at the line of actual control. If the Chinese follow the banner drill, so will Indian soldiers. If they use clubs, so will the Indian soldiers. The mechanized forces, the artillery, the armor, the infantry, they're all deployed all along the LAC. But new rules are clear. If the Chinese step out of line, it's time to pay back with interest.
There's tension and anger among troops who are in an eyeball-to-eyeball situation. A violent escalation cannot be ruled out. Frontline bases of the Indian Army and Air Force along the nearly 3,500-kilometer de facto border with China have been put on high alert.
China would be more than wise to now delineate the territory and come down to the negotiating table to understand where should the line be drawn finally. And in the absence of this line being drawn, the Indian Army must keep with itself the initiative to take all actions necessary in self-defense of its troops.
On Wednesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it amply clear in this terse and stern warning to Beijing.
भारत शांति चाहता है, लेकिन भारत उकसाने पर हर हाल में यथोचित जवाब देने में सक्षम है.
The Indian Navy has also been asked to raise its alert level in the Indian Ocean region, where the Chinese Navy has been making regular forays. India has decided to strengthen its aerial firepower with the purchase of 12 new Sukhoi 30 and 21 MiG-29 fighter jets. Despite Chinese opposition, India's Border Roads Organization is steadily moving forward with its road construction activities. India today has accessed this exclusive footage of a bridge being constructed on the Shyok River not far from one of the standoff points.
हम ससोमा ससेला रोड का किलोमीटर 52.4 में खड़ा है, जो बीआरओ का सिर्फ एक सिंगल रोड है जो ग्लेशियर टेरेन में कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जा रहा है. आप देख सकते हैं कि हम अभी ग्लेशियर में खड़ा है और जो मेरा पीछे है वो है ससेला ग्लेशियर जो हाइट है 17,860 फीट.
The message from India is clear. Indian territories will be guarded at all costs. India will not cede an inch of its territory. With Gaurav Sawant in Leh, Ladakh and Ashraf Wani in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.